Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, you'll learn how to create tables in Power BI Desktop using a special feature called Enter Data. I've got my Power BI Desktop opened and there is a feature here called Enter Data inside the ribbon area. So I'm going to click that, and this feature basically allows you to manually create table. So if I can double click on this and on the column here and just give the table a name, so I can say name. And if you need to create a new column, just click on this asterisk and change the name as well. I can just say city. All right, and then if you want to add more columns, just click on this asterisk and it will insert another column. And then you can start populating the table with rows. So for here, I can just say Rick, city, I can say London. Let's add another row. I'll make this blue line. City, I'll say Manchester. And then you can add as many rows as you want. And then on the bottom here, the default table name is called table 1. You could change that and give it a name. I can just say people. Okay, and that would be the name of the table. So at this stage, I can edit it if I want, but because it's a very basic table, I'm just going to load that into Power BI. So I click load, and that will load that information into the Power BI desktop. So give it a few minutes to load. You can see it's loaded it. That's the name of the table, people. And you can see it's got 2 columns, which is city and then name. Another way of creating table is by pasting the content from an external source by using the Enter Data feature here. So I'm going to click Enter Data again. And this time we're going to paste some content. I've got a very simple Excel spreadsheet here. So I've got these fruits here and I've got this quantity. So I'm going to paste the 2 columns and the rows. I'm going to just highlight all of it and just go copy and then open my Power BI desktop and just right click and paste. So you can see here, just by doing that, it's pasted the content into this, and I can just change the name of the table here from table 1. I can just call it fruits. And if I want to insert another column, I can do that. So I can come here, for example, and let's insert a color. So I just give it a name. I'll say color, and then I can just add the values. I can say green. Here I can say yellow, and here I can say orange. So I just load that data into the Power BI desktop. So give it a few minutes. You can see here now I've got the model here called fruits, and it's got 3 columns: color, fruits, and quantity. In this video, I showed you a couple of ways of creating tables in Power BI desktop. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.